3D printing, which is also called additive manufacturing, is a process in which a three-dimensional or 3D solid or physical object is created using a digital file or a digital design. This printing technology enables new objects to be made, but because they are built on digital files, one can quickly combine and change these objects, which ensures that you can print 3D items in bulk but give them some special features. The 3D model can be changed several times and customized to different human needs. This accelerates work and provides many possibilities, thereby increasing the demand for 3D printing among many industries. The aerospace and defense (A&D) industry is one of the earliest to embrace 3D printing, with the initial application of manufacturing dating back to 1989. From medical equipment to prosthetics and bioprinting, the healthcare industry is one of the fastest-growing adopters of 3D printing. The automotive industry is a growing user of 3D printing. The technology is applied in areas such as designing parts, motorsports, and performance racing. Consumer-oriented industries are adopting 3D printing to match evolving consumer demands and industry trends. Using 3D printing technology, several biotech companies are focused on producing tissues and organs for medical research. One area that is particularly important in terms of 3D printing is in research and development applications. Many creative companies, such as sports laboratories, have acquired 3D printers for quick prototyping purposes. The challenge lies in employee training for both incoming and seasoned engineers, as seasoned producers are often reluctant to learn new technology. 3D printing is used today in volume production. It has the potential to save time and money for companies. It has become more affordable and can also produce better quality parts, due to the inherent geometric freedoms that technology permits. For more market intelligence insights, visit ariston.com.